How to hide your IP address during calls on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can hide your IP address during calls on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to hide your IP address during the calls on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch WhatsApp. So this feature has been there since the beginning, but you might not have been aware. To enable it, you can tap the three dots option and then just go to settings. And when you go to settings here, you'll find an option called privacy. Tap on it. Once you come to privacy page, scroll to the very bottom, you'll find protect IP address in call. So whenever you're on a call with someone, they could sometimes track your IP address for some unknown reason. If you don't want this to be possible, you can tap on it. Turn on this option called protect IP address in calls. It says to make it harder for your call on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. This will reduce call quality, but of course you can actually hide your IP address if you'd like. This way you can hide and protect your IP address in calls on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.